You know what to do if you have chest pain. You go to an emergency room. You know what to do if you have signs of a stroke. You go to an emergency room. But what do you do when you start snoring? You need to treat it as equally as an emergency, and we don't. Because you wake up the next day. You might be a little tired, but it's not a big deal. If somebody told you when you were in high school, you're young and healthy, hey, don't eat that Twinkie. It's got red dye number 2 in it. And in 40 years, you might develop cancer. You're going to eat the Twinkie. So basically, it's like telling somebody, hey, you're snoring. In many years, in a decade or so, that could cause real problems with you.